Hello friends, first of all, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, trendy, amazing and stylish ideas of how you can design your dresses with the help of traditional, stylish, trendy, sindhi embroidery, traditional, beautiful balochi embroidery, and ancient style hand embroidery pattern inspired by Bangladeshi, Chinese, Indian and Pakistani embroidery patterns of handwork, thread work, and hand art. So, without wasting any further sort of time, let's move back towards our main content. That how you can use these patterns. All of these very beautiful and trendy patterns of traditional hand embroidery could be used for designing your e-dresses, for decorating, for creating the beauty and mesmerizing eye-catchy design patterns along with different color combinations would give you a more signature and stylish
I
patterns.
show
So I would
you
recommend you to do try these patterns. All of these are highly royal velveted and instant would take a lot of money to highly designed dresses to highly price tag, a lot of money requiring designer dresses. You can become a designer of your own by sitting at your home by just following these very beautiful and traditional
I
patterns of
said the things you
so these balochi,
want me
sindhi and
to.
traditional
Might
ancient
lead to
Indian style hand embroidery
someone
patterns are
else but
absolutely
you.
stunning for the ones who are looking for designing your e-dresses along with a very beautiful and color combination of hand embroidery patterns. You can design your blouses, your shirts, your frock logs, your necklines, and many more creatively as per your choices and your interests. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns, and if you tried any of these patterns and you really like them, then in the comment section mention which design you like the most and why, and do let us know that what you want us to share with you in our new and latest upcoming videos. Until then, take care, stay home, and don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end because, guys, on daily basis we try our level best to share amazing, stylish, and beautiful ideas of hand embroidery with you. The basic content and purpose of our making videos is to share ideas, beautiful design patterns, and we never aim or intend to reclaim someone else's work as our own. So I would recommend you to stay away from negative energy and keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our content as you always have been. If you have already subscribed to my channel, then subscribes are very important. You can also subscribe from many other devices as well. With your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we will continue to grow. So help us grow and reach to a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. Until then, guys, take care and stay tuned for the new latest upcoming videos. All of the design patterns of our today's collection are very handy, eye-catchy, and they give a royal and elegant look to the wearer. Believe me, if you try one of these patterns and select a very beautiful and creative pattern for your e-dress, then your dress would be of remarkable beauty, elegance, and attraction. On our channel, you can get all type of amazing, trendy, and amazing ideas related to up-to-date fashion trends of hand embroidery, hand art, and many more creativities apart from dress designing as well. So keep watching, stay tuned. Once again, thank you so much for watching.